Hi friends, welcome to Kitchen Princess Bamboo Japanese Everyday Food. Today I'm going to be making fried rice. Fried rice or Chahan in Japanese is a very popular lunch menu. Cooking time takes within 10 minutes from start to finish. Let's get started. Tear lettuce leaves into 1-inch pieces. I'm using a tough outer leaves of lettuce here. Chop scallion into thin slices. Cut chashu into dice. I always keep the end part of chashu for fried rice, or you can use ham, sausages, spam, or any meat you have on hand. The cutting is done. Now let's get the eggs ready. Crack the eggs and beat well with my egg fork. This is going to cut egg whites fast and eggs mix perfectly. Heat the non-stick wok on high. Add in tablespoon of vegetable oil. I'm always testing the pan by dropping the egg. If it's cooked immediately, pour the egg mixture. Using spatula, make soft scrambled egg and take out. Clean the wok and heat on high. When the wok gets enough heat, add in vegetable oil. Swirl the pan and cover the surface, then add in rice. Break up the rice using spatula. Cook a minute or two until all the grains are coated with the oil. Toss the rice in the wok to evaporate the moisture as much as you can. Add chopped chashu pork and cook until heated through and evenly mix in the rice. Chashu will help breaking up the rice. Season with chicken stock powder and salt. Or you can use dashi powder if you wanted to. Toss the season evenly. Add in torn lettuce and chopped scallions. Toss everything until the lettuce wilted a little. Put the egg back in and mix well. Reheat your cooked rice in the microwave. Some people say the rice should be cold to make dry and less crumbly fried rice. But for Japanese short grain rice, it's stickier than the long grain rice or medium grain rice. It's not easy to break up all the grain, so it should be warm. Add in my soy sauce from the edge and toss to evenly seasoned. The aroma of soy sauce would maximized. And it's almost done. Transfer to a dish and serve immediately. Smells so good. The rice should be fluffy and each grain should be seasoned well. The lettuce adds crunchiness and it gives fried rice a fresh twist. We never take out fried rice in Japan because it's that easy. Give it a try and let me know how yours turned out. Thank you for watching the video. Go to my website for the written recipe and more information. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already. Visit my store on Amazon to check what I am using in my kitchen. The link is in my description box below, so you won't miss any of those informations. Thanks again and see you in a week. Bye!